Hi there, it's Katie Hionas, Realtor with Century 21 Lakeside Realty. I'm out here today in Berlin Center at my open house until 3 o'clock. Well, I was going to give you a little peek of outside, but it started raining, so we can try to do what we can do here. So, right there is an 1.5 acre very own exclusive lake of yours that you can have with a fountain. Look at this amazing patio, guys. It is just gorgeous. I love to be out here right now, but it's raining, so let's go inside and give you a little tour of this fine home. So list price is a little over $1 million, and it's over 5,000 square feet of this beautiful home situated on over 53.5 acres. So I'm gonna walk around here, give you guys a little bit of peek, see what I can do here. So this is one of the bedrooms. Very nice. There's so much to this house. I hope I can show you all. That's a nice little office bedroom. Then in here we have our first floor bathroom situated right off our beautiful, beautiful kitchen. And then we have the formal dining room. If you can see, it leads off to the nice foyer. So pretty. This house has so many surprises because it's just so great and wonderful. So here's a little bit of the foyer. Now I'm going to take you upstairs to their entertainment space, loft. All right. So, nice pictures of yourself, having nice family events, getting all cozy and watching some TV. And right off this entertainment loft is another bathroom. And through here is actually the master bedroom. And look how cool this is. So it's got like an upper loft right here. As you can see, it'll lead right down here. Check out how cool these stairs are. So this is from the loft down to the master. There's these stairs, if I can get them in here. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful master. We'll walk downstairs and check that out. Very modern, unique, fine home. If you can hear the rain, check out this beautiful chandelier. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So if you can't make it out till 3 today, be sure to give me, Katie Hionas, a call at 330-883-4257, and I would love to send an appointment for you to see this beautiful, luxurious home. All right, so we're gonna go into the master bath. Just check out this. Look at this jacuzzi tub. Get a couple candles in there, have a nice little bubble bath, and you can watch TV too. Beautiful vanity. All right, and we're gonna go into the master bedroom. And you see, in the master bedroom, you have your very own private patio. So this is one of the cool things I thought about the master bedroom is check out these lights underneath the little bed area. It's so cool. So cool, so cool. So I can get you a little bit better of a shot of these awesome, cool stairs. Look at that. That is so neat. And then, maybe it won't be so rainy, but you know it's Northeast Ohio. You get a nice view of the front of your property. So gorgeous. So this house is amazing, full of surprises. We'll take you downstairs too. So this is all just a sneak peek because there's lots and more to see. So I thought this was pretty neat. So if you go down here, if anyone's looking for a man cave or just a little family cave, check it out. Nice, nice, nice. I wish I could change the camera for you. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So you can not only fit not just one, but two pool tables. So if you are a pool player, you can have all your friends come over and just play some pool. So nice. And I just want to show you the view from this. Look at that, so pretty. 53.5 acres, all of your own to enjoy. And if, as you can tell by my other videos, there are 3 additional garages that you can fit 17 of your prized possession cars. There's also a 7,000 square foot workshop garage. So yeah, there's all kinds of little things down here. So you can have a nice little room for storage. Let's see what else we got here. There's also another little bathroom. Have you seen a urinal one? I haven't. And this is great too, because look, nice extra storage down here. And then there's also another bonus game room. Get your foosball on, your table tennis. All right. And leads you around here. You have a very nice laundry room. And there's so much storage in this place. It is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So we're gonna take you back up the stairs. We might run into Chuck, my other realtor co-hosting with me. Can't find him, but, oh, here's Chuck. Chuck, are you hardly working or are you working?
Hardly working.
But look at this.
Show up.
Yes, look at this very beautiful, what would you consider this, like a informal family room? Beautiful, beautiful. And I would love to walk outside to show you a little bit more, but fortunately it's raining. So if you have any questions, give me a call at 330-883-4257. My name is Katie Hionas. I'm a realtor with Century 21 Lakeside Realty. Or if you would like to give Chuck a call, give him your number, please.
Hi, 330-506-9643. Chuck Wilson.
And he's a realtor as well with Century 21 Lakeside Realty. So if you can't come out here today till 3, so give us a call and we'd love to show you this beautiful, luxurious property. Thanks, guys.